Good morning, everyone. This is Vishakha. Welcome to Crypto TV. Here are the news headlines. Cryptocurrencies trade mixed on profit taking. Bitcoin climbs above $23,000. Scaramucci SkyBridge Halts Withdrawals isn't fund with exposure to crypto. Blockchain security firm Halborn raises $90 million. Bitcoin gaming company ZEBEDEE raises $35 million for virtual economies. FTX's Bankman-Fried thinks it's worthwhile to prop up crypto industry. SEC's Gary Gensler sees non-compliance galore across crypto industry. Dubai Unveils Metaverse strategy aims to attract over 1,000 firms. Blockchain music service audios to allow users to tip artists. Cryptocurrencies traded mixed in early morning trades Wednesday on profit taking, amid robust health of companies as reflected by their earnings, which helped US stocks end higher. Bitcoin rebounded above $23,600, its highest level since mid-June. US stocks closed with sharp gains on Tuesday as more companies joined big banks in reporting earnings that beat forecasts, offering respite to investors worried about higher inflation and a tightening Federal Reserve denting the corporate bottom line. The S&P 500 gained 2.8%, the highest close since June 9. The tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite added 3.1%, marking the biggest one-day percentage gain since June 24. The US dollar marked its third straight day of declines as markets reduced the odds of a full percentage point Federal Reserve rate hike this month. Bitcoin was recently seen trading around $23,100, up over 3.5% in the past 24 hours, though investors were seen taking profit. Ether was trading around $1,520, down over 2% in a similar time span, on profit taking after the second biggest cryptocurrency failed to test $1,600 levels. All other major altcoins too traded mixed. Anthony Scaramucci's investment management firm SkyBridge Capital temporarily blocked withdrawals from Legion Strategies fund that had exposure to cryptocurrency assets such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. The decision was a result of a sudden drop in the prices of the fund's stocks and cryptocurrencies. Scaramucci said about 18% of the fund had exposure to cryptocurrencies, including in Bitcoin and some in private ventures such as Sam Bankman-Fried's FTX. Legion Strategies, one of SkyBridge Capital's smaller funds, is estimated to have $230 million in assets under management. Scaramucci reiterated that the suspension of redemptions was temporary until the asset manager was able to raise capital. He assured investors that since the operations of the funds are carried out with an independent board and that the fund is unlevered, so there is absolutely no danger of liquidation whatsoever. Halborn, a blockchain security company based in Miami, raised $90 million in its latest round of funding on Tuesday. The round was led by private equity firm Summit Partners and included Castle Island Ventures, Digital Currency Group, and Brevan Howard. The round's valuation has not been disclosed. Crypto startups have recently had to raise money at lower valuations, with crypto investments drying up as prices of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ether hit new lows. According to Matthew Hamilton, managing director at Summit Partner, the lead investor in the funding round, the demand for security services will increase over time since the crypto industry is still young. ZEBEDEE, a Bitcoin-only gaming developer, has secured $35 million in its latest round of funding to scale up circular economies in virtual worlds. Lead investors in the fund round included Square Enix, the AAA gaming studio behind multiple global video game IPs such as Final Fantasy and Tomb Raider, Kingsway Capital, and the Rain Group. The funding will be used to scale ZEBEDEE's team, allowing them to meet the needs of its increasing user base, which witnessed a 10 times increase since the startup's initial funding round this past September. FTX co-founder and CEO Sam Bankman-Fried said that he doesn't mind losing some money if his bailouts keep the crypto infrastructure humming. Speaking at a crypto summit in New York, he said that it was okay to do a deal that is moderately bad in bailing out a place. The need to be a good, constructive actor in this space justifies incinerating a small amount of money. FTX and Bankman-Fried's Alameda Research have offered costly rescues to crypto lender BlockFi and crypto broker Voyager Digital amid a broad market downturn, and Bankman-Fried said he's open to helping more. While FTX has extended millions of dollars to those companies, that hasn't necessarily succeeded in bailing them out. However, Bankman-Fried said that the conversation he's been having with other crypto firms show that many of them aren't clear about their own financial picture. That's the minimum requirement to keep him interested. The US Securities and Exchange Commission chairman Gary Gensler said that he saw that the cryptocurrency industry contains a lot of non-compliance and the regulator is continuing to develop its regulatory framework. Talking to a television channel, Gensler said that lending platforms that have taken in money and in some cases failed, and such businesses fall under parts of the securities laws already in vogue. Gensler is of the view that there are currently too many platforms that haven't properly complied with the law and registered accordingly. When it comes to the crisis faced by many crypto lenders and exchanges recently and what type of regulation is now needed, Gensler said that it's a mixture of things, including collaborating with market participants and reworking some investor protections. Leaders of Dubai want the most populous city in the United Arab Emirates to become one of the world's top 10 Metaverse economies. The Dubai Metaverse strategy, launched on Monday, aims to attract more than 1,000 blockchain and Metaverse companies to the city, as well as support more than 40,000 virtual jobs by 2030. His Highness Sheikh Hamdan bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Crown Prince of Dubai and Chairman of the Dubai Executive Council, unveiled the Metaverse strategy, which was designed in line with the directives of His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, the ruler of Dubai. According to the announcement, virtual reality and augmented reality, which facilitate the Metaverse, are currently responsible for 6,700 jobs in the UAE, contributing around $500 million to the country's economy. Audius, a Web3 music streaming service, is offering a new feature for creators to monetize their content by allowing listeners to send tips to artists. With Audio, the governance token of the Audius platform users can tip any artist who publishes their music on the platform. Audius serves 7 million listeners and 250,000 artists. According to Forrest Browning, Audius co-founder and chief product officer, the platform's main objective is to try and attract maybe the top 10 most engaged superfans, the ones who will tip their favorite artists. Earlier this year, Audius introduced audio rewards for users to earn tokens by following artists, creating playlists, or uploading songs. Fans can now use those tokens to send tips to artists or connect to an external crypto wallet. The Audio token currently trades at a market cap of around $290 million. That's all in the news today. Have a good day. This is me, Vishakha, signing off.